Feminism is a social, political, and economic movement that seeks to establish equal rights for women. It is a movement for justice, equality, and liberation. The word feminism was coined by Charles Fourier in 1837 as the French word for women. The term has been used to describe the movement since at least 1851. In 1892, Charlotte Perkins Gilman wrote an article titled The Man-Made World, or Our Androcentric Culture, which she later expanded into her book Women in Economics, 1898. In this article, she argued that women are oppressed through their involvement with men and that they need to be emancipated from this system of oppression. Feminism is a movement that advocates for the social, economic, and political equality of all genders. The feminist movement has evolved over time with more and more people joining the cause. The first wave of feminism was focused on women's suffrage, whereas the second wave focused on fighting for equal opportunities in education and employment. The third wave is characterized by a focus on issues like sexual harassment, body image, and reproductive rights. How feminism has evolved over the years. The feminist movement has evolved over the years, and it is now more inclusive than ever. The time for women to take their rightful place in society has come. Feminism is a social, economic, and political movement that seeks to establish equal rights for women in all aspects of life. It is a movement that began in the late 19th century, at a time when women were considered second-class citizens and had little or no power or control over their own lives. What are some feminist issues that still need to be addressed? The feminist movement is a social justice movement that focuses on the struggles of women in society. It's important to note that the feminist movement is not just about fighting for the rights of women, but it is also about fighting for equality. The feminist issues that are still being addressed today are wage inequality, sexual harassment and violence, lack of representation in government and business, and reproductive rights.